Hey guys, it's Shy and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are doing a Splendies unbagging. I am so excited. I am filming this on Halloween. It should be posted today as well. I'm gonna try to edit it and get it up on my lunch, but I'm really excited. I didn't review this ahead of time because it is a Halloween edition and I wanted it to be my little like Halloween present. So that's why we're opening it today. So happy Halloween, everybody. I'm really excited though. I'm hoping that I got the Halloween themed panties. They kind of did a little thing online and like showed a couple and they were so stinking cute, and I did miss out on them last year, so I'm really excited. If you are new to Splendies, I do these videos every month. I really love Splendies. I've had the subscription for about a year now. Splendies, for $14.99 a month, they send you 3 pairs of panties to your door. They carry every size from I believe extra small to 4X, so quite inclusive in the size range, and I think $14 for 3 pairs is pretty decent overall when you're thinking of more like good quality panties, because like Victoria's Secret sells theirs I think for like 3 for $36, so just kind of a comparing that type of thing. But they are based in Santa Monica. It says it right on there, and they always come in this little plastic bag. I do appreciate the plastic bag because sometimes I've gotten them when it's like raining or like super crazy weather, and they always stay really good, which is awesome, versus if it was in like, for example, a cardboard box. Things could get kind of sad with the weather. But that being said, I did already cut open the top so that I'm not like struggling to open it on camera. But this is what it looks like on the inside. It always comes with a tissue paper wrapping and then as well as a little sticker. So you will get that no matter what. It's like a cute little present. So let's dive in. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay. Alrighty. Oh my God. Okay, so the first one I'm seeing, oh, and before I get into it, I do buy a size large. I am a size 10 pant, and I wear about a medium to large in Victoria's Secret panties. The pink ones I wear large, and the actual Victoria's Secret ones I can do a medium. It's weird, but in case you're using me as a size reference, I just want to throw that in there. But the first pair I'm seeing are these. These are my total vibe. I love a full coverage panty. I live literally in jeans and high-rise jeans, so anything that's like a hip hugger, boy short, high-waisted panty is my jam. And these are so cute. So these are a cotton hip hugger. I love the lace trim. They are so cute. Oh my God, I'm really excited about these. And these would normally retail for, it says $12 on the tag, but they're really cute. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it on camera, but it almost has like, it's not a ribbing, but like the fabric has like a little bit of like a really cute, like almost ribbing pattern in it. You can kind of see it there. I really like these. They're really soft. They seem really stretchy. I'm so excited. Oh my God. Okay. Okay, so this is the next pair. Total Halloween vibes. How cute are these? They are black hip huggers with the orange trim. I love these. Oh my God. How freaking cute. They are cotton as well, which I love. Like, oh my God, I feel like this might be one of my favorite Splendies I've ever done. These just all are like just speaking to me on a spiritual level. I'm really excited. But they're really stretchy. I love their lace trim because it never digs in. You know how sometimes you'll get like a lace trim panty and it doesn't stretch enough and it like just digs into you, or like the trimming like this, like you never have to be worried with the Splendies panties. Like I have some Victoria's Secret ones that like I literally can't wear because they'll like stab into me, and Splendies doesn't do that. So how cute are these? They're so festive. If I had opened them in time, I would have washed them and worn them today, but I'm gonna still wear them regardless because fall is until end of November, so I'm gonna wear them all the time. These are so cute though. And I love the coverage. I believe you can also, I could be wrong, but because anytime I've tried so many panty subscriptions on this channel, I always set it to either like mix or full coverage. I think this is the full coverage one. I think you can do a thongs one only too. But I'm so excited. Okay, last panty. These were the ones that I was so hoping I got. So these are the most adorable panties I've ever seen in my life. So it's light blue panty with an orange trim. It has little white polka dots on it and has little cats wearing witches hats. Are we not living? Oh my gosh. So at my apartment now, I have no pets. I probably won't get any pets because I'm so busy. Like you really need to give a lot of love and attention to an animal, but I do have a cat at my mom's and I love cats and I thought this was so cute. I love animals. I love dogs. I love just animals, but these are so stinking cute and I am so excited about them. They are that like silky material, like if you buy like the Victoria's Secret Very Sexy panties, that's what this fabric reminds me of. But no shade to VS, but like I prefer the Splendies lace. Sorry, but like it's better. It doesn't dig, and whatever they do, like Splendies just like is so good. I can't wait till they have a store and I can just like shop there all the time and not just have to wait once a month. But they're so fun. I look forward to it every single month and they're just really high quality. They're really stretchy and they always fit me absolutely perfect. I always have a code in my description box. Well, it's not a code. It's a link. It's not an affiliate link, but if you click on it, you can use that and you get a certain amount off of your first month, and then I can get a free panty in my bag. It's very similar to the ColourPop code where you know, if you share your code with somebody via email or text, then you get $5 off and they get $5 off. It's that type of thing, but I don't get paid for any of the Splendies reviews. I would be very honest with you guys if I did. But if you don't want to use that link, that's fine. You don't have to give me a free pair of panties. I'll survive. You can also use Splendies in all caps at checkout, and that will also help you save money, which is great. I forget how much it is off a month. I do apologize, but it is a certain amount off, and it's a really cool subscription. If you guys have Splendies, let me know what you got in your bag this month. I love hearing what you guys get. These Splendies unbaggings are actually some of my like most viewed videos, so I know a lot of you guys have signed up for it at this point. So let me know what you got. If you got any different styles, like especially if you have like the thong one and you got something completely different. I love hearing what you guys get. And thank you so much for hanging out with me on this Halloween. I hope everybody has a really safe and happy Halloween. I will be at work. I'm not a really spooky person anyway. I am like the biggest crybaby and wimp in the entire world. So Halloween for me is like super cutesy things that I like. Like if I get off work at a decent hour, I'm probably gonna go to Target and pick up some like cute little like pumpkin shaped cookies and like bake them and like watch Scream on my like little couch. Scream doesn't scare me, like the old school movies don't scare me. It's just like the new ones, I absolutely cannot. Oh my God, random story in this Splendies, but me and my old roommate, I mean, this is years ago, we went to the movies to see, oh my God, what movie was it? Like The Conjuring or something, and no, I think it might have been the one with the nun. I don't know. Anyways, we were so terrified. We slept with the lights on and watched Friends like the rest of like the night, and we're just like the scaredest little brats ever. So yeah, I can't do anything hella spooky, but I love really cutesy Halloween things. I love seeing all the little kids dressed up. I think it's precious. My best friend is dressing her son up in a little skeleton costume, and I cannot wait to see that. So all those little things I get really excited about. But anyways, I'm gonna stop rambling. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.